Spider webs and dusty floors, endless rooms with creaky doors, eyes that watch from picture frames, whispers calling out my name. Lost in the spooky zone, haunted house chills to the bone, ghostly figures all alone. I'm lost in the spooky zone.
Greetings, me amigas. It is I, still Connors, still lost in the spooky zone, or the game zone, or whatever. Guess what? I got sucked back into the land of Castlevanias. I don't know how it happened. Some crazy stuff going on with this messed up. I think it has something to do with Ravi Bird, because Ravi Bird, what the hell is happening here? No, get away, get away, get away. Shit. Yeah. This is pretty wild, I have to say. Yeah, I think Ravi Bird did something weird and, like, summoned me back here to, like, make a point. Like, Ravi Bird really wants to be here, so it's like, no, this is Ravi Bird's wrath right now, I think. That he's not been able to talk. He's pretty upset, I think. So he, like, did some weird stuff and pulled me back into here. But anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful Spooksmas kind of time. It's getting to be that season, as it were, as you probably noticed. Bitch, hell yeah. Alright. Got you. Let's go. Just trying to give you a big ol' hug. Gotta get that feller. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, I don't have time for this shit. Y'all get the hell out of my way. No, 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 get out of, no. These bad little birdies. Coming for your boy. Give me those orange floaties. Those orange floaties allow me to have blue light, and the blue light allows me to hit people. And when I hit people, when I'm blue light, then I get a health. But I don't want to waste it. And this dingus bird getting on my nerves. Alright, you bad bird. It's a bird who malts birds. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, you bad old birdie butt. Hell yeah, I'm all Morpheus when he's trying to not fall off the side of the mother frumpin' when he's all trying to not fall off the mother frumpin' oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on. I said, come on. I said, come on. Hell yeah, dude. Nighty night. Gross. Whew. That was rough. Point taken, Ravi. Jeez. Think I wanted to come back into this realm? Uh-oh. Looks like something sexy's happening. Oh, fuck yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? Pony! Hell yeah, dude. It's so anticlimactic. It's like the most epic shit imaginable. And they're like, here's your book of rewards. Here's your remember, you're inside of a game. New combo is available. Go to skills page. Advanced moves. All kinds of new combos. I have 3,000 monies. I could do, what kind of cost says cost 3,000 monies though? Somersault strike. What'd that do? After a somersault over an enemy. I don't even know how to do a somersault, bro, so. Chainsaw, that sounds cool. Oh, that's what we want. Come to Papa. Hell yeah, dude, that looks awesome. Oh boy, can't wait to try that out. I have 1,000 monies. What is the area counter strike? After performing a synchronized block. Yeah, but those are hard to do, so no. Let's see, what else? What about these relic powers, though? Landslide punch. I don't got enough money for none of this. Alright, we're cool for now. Let's go. Continue quest, mi amiga. For it was written. Now it is thus unto thine. What happened? Okay. The Veros Woods, why don't you go ahead and select?
It seems Pan has saved Gabriel once more.
I know.
His arrival most fortuitous.
I know.
Gabriel now enters the outskirts of the vampire's territory. A cold winter has gripped this land for centuries, driving out the inhabitants to warmer climes. Those stubborn enough to stay have contended with the cold death that visits them each and every night, taking their loved ones away forever. The vampires thrive in the cold and terrorize the living who crave warmth and companionship. This night,
vampires crave companionship too, big time.
With death at his side, he comes for you, creatures of the night.
Hell yeah. This reminds me of that Tim and Eric's Crimbus special where Pierre's freezing out in the woods. Don't get the bite. Don't get the bite now. Don't get the bite. And Pierre's got to cut off all his feet and hands. You know, I really could use your help all the time, you know. It's not just you don't have to just save me when I'm about to fall off of a castle. This world is a spooky cold world, vampires all about. Belle's probably out here too, like trying to save her father, run away from Mary and Gaston, which is actually a very reasonable choice, you know. You know, it's actually something she should really consider. You know, he's got a lot of money, he's got a good head on his shoulders. You know. Belle should be so lucky. Why is just a tiny little igloo here? What is happening? Am I summoning things from this? I feel like I'm supposed to know what this is for, but I don't. Oh, there we go. I got it. I got it. I sucked a green out of it, and that's pretty good. Maybe you can tear down this wall. Oh yeah, my new chainsaw bob. How do I do it? I want to do the chainsaw though. Why am I not tearing this down yet? No, not this one. Damn it. I know, but I don't know how to do it. Damn it. First of all, I need to see how to do that new chainsaw move we learned, because that looked cool as hell. That was an advanced moves. Chainsaw, 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 circular chain. Oh, it's bump, bump, bump. No, wait, that ain't it. The real one had the word chainsaw in it. There we go. It's bump, bump, bump. Okay. Got it. No. There we go. Hell yeah, that's cool as shit. But this is not what I'm supposed to do. There is, I thought I had to think R2, and I'm not talking D2, to grab stuff, but let me see. If I go into configuration, grip use, advanced moves. No, it's not advanced. It's rappel, climbing. It just says R2. That's the type of thing. Grab and interact is also just R2. That's the kind of thing I should be doing for breaking that. For breaking this wall, yet nothing happens. I don't understand. Maybe they want me to break it from the other side? Oh, these little booger bears aren't gonna lit up. Alright, this ain't happening. Let's just keep moving. Look at this little fart knocker. Don't do that. That's not fun. That guy sucks. The 𝗟ซี้𝘀𝑁𝓆 has stolen your relics and powers. Get them back. Yeah, no shit. Ooh, look at that cool face. Hell yeah, I love the chainsaw. That's awesome. That's the best thing I ever did see. hardly see what's going on around these parts. I'm trying to figure out how to do my, I can do a thing where it pulls me to them and I kick them. Gotta get my stuff back from that 𝗭𝗺𝓄𝓆𝗃𝑎𝑏𝑟𝑎. Where is he? Is he around here? Font. You'll need to recover your relics before attempting this. Alright, I don't know what's going on, why I can't bust that. Oh wait, I do have a super McPunch that I can do sometimes, but I don't think that's what that's about. Alright, let's find this 𝗭𝗺𝓄𝓆𝗃𝑎𝑏𝑟𝑎. What do we got here? Oh yeah, I can get on these guys somehow. I forget how to get on them. It's been so long since I've been in this damn world. Let's see. I think I just have to whip them up for a little bit, and then after I whip their booty butts for a little while, I can get on them. I just release some fairies on your ass. Okay. Oh no, he's ready, he's ready. Even goblin grenades would be useless against this reinforced door. No. He should be ready to go. My guy should be ready to go for me to get on him. Let's see if I'm missing something here about mounts. Ride a warg. Press the R2 button while the warg is stunned to mount it. Did I not stun? Oh, there we go. Here we go. He's stunned now. Nice. Woohoo! Alright. Perhaps now you can break through the door. Yeah, but perhaps now I could go break through that other stuff that I want to break through, that I could get some stuff. Hold on, let's see. Let me check out those mounts again. Mounts, ride warg. Press triangle to slash with claws. Press and hold square to bite attack. Release the button to attack. So when you reach the edge, to jump further, double tap the left stick in the desired direction. Of course, I'm not some phony low-tier let's play shitting on a couch or some bullcrap like that. Actually, I have the guys to be dead and playing from inside the game. To me, it's like VR, except for it's real, so I don't have a controller, but I have to think these things instead of pressing them, just so you know. I love you. I love you so much. Further double tap the left stick in the desired direction and then press X. I want to say square. Orgs can jump further and climb better than humans. To jump further, double tap the... Okay. I don't know why I not get it good. This door is too strong. Perhaps you could take a run up. Okay, they just want me to run for a while, I guess. Alright, here we go. There we go. Nice. But there's some other shit I can break back here, dude. Oh, they won't let me go to it. That sucks. I somehow got cornered in here. Oh well. Because I guess that's what those other walls were for me to break through that I couldn't break through earlier, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, okay, we are going back through now. Get this little doo-doo butt. Calm down, Morgie. Where is this little damn doo-doo butt? Hell yeah. Get back. Get the hell back. Where was that wall? I need to bust that dungus wall. No, that's where I came from. No, that was nothing there. Damn it. Wait, they can... Shut up. Fucking jackass. Why can't I go this way? Alright. Maybe I need to get off the warthog. I don't want to get off this warty boy. He's awesome. I love him.
Still there?
Shut up, Kojima. From what I understand, Kojima voiced the Chupacabra, and that's not a goof. I know I do. I know I goof and gaff.
Not too far.
I know I goof and gaff a lot, but that's actually something true. Alright, I didn't want to kill my beautiful warthog baby, but I guess I have to.
Not too close. Not too far.
You're a dick. Yeah, I guess this... Yeah, this sucks. Alright, night-night warthog.
Cold, cold, cold.
Why can't I have this? Why can't I have this? What is this? Why can't I have it? Alright, there's a health font back here. I gotta get some health first. Wait, what's this here?
Come on! Halfway there!
What do we got here? You found a scroll. Read it in your travel book. Get this font real quick. Get some health. Alright.
Wormish!
Alright. We're gonna finish this little Chupacabra ding dong on the very next exciting transmission.
It's pain, no gain in the hunger's deep cold.